In this video, I'm going to show you how to create chat group in Snapchat. So basically, if you want to create a group chat with your friends or whatever, here are the steps you need to do. First, open up Snapchat. Once you have opened up your Snapchat, go to the chats. Now, if you are here in the chats, you can just click on this icon on the bottom right or the top right, where you click on new chat. Once you are here, you can click on new group and then of course give the name a group and then just start adding people to that group. Once you have selected all of the people you want to be in the group, create chat with group. And of course I can't add AI to my group, but if you click add, your group chat will be created and will be at the top of your chats. And then you can just enter in the group chat, send snaps, send videos, send voice messages, and do everything just as in a regular chat. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.